and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This was actually a look that I did on Christmas Eve for church, and I just remembered while planning videos that I wanted to film this look for you guys, so here it is. It is just a really simple halo eye. It's so easy. I used 3 shades from the Modern Renaissance palette to do this look, so it is like so ridiculously easy. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. I use my NYX Micro Brow and my Maybelline fibers to do my brows, and then I prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay Primer Potion because I'm trying to use this up. I have like 5 of them I just discovered recently. I'm a hoarder. So today's makeup look is going to be super simple and super easy. This whole look I use the Modern Renaissance palette, and it's literally like 2 colors, but I think I might add a 3rd one just to give it some more pizzazz, because for church I kind of kept it a little subtle. And I'm not going to church today, so I can make it a little more dramatic. So the first shade I'm going to pick up in my Modern Renaissance palette is this shade right here, which is Warm Taupe. And I'm just picking it up on this eyeshadow brush from Beige, and I'm just going to pat this all over my lid. I'm kind of going into the crease as well, because this is the only shade I'm really using. Alright, so now that my lid shade is down, I'm just going to take this blending brush from Beige as well, and I'm just going to blend out that crease just so it doesn't look so harsh, because it is looking really harsh because I just threw everything down. I'm actually going to go in with the Sonia Kashuk brush as well, just to really buff it out, because I feel like the Beige one was a little too dense. And this is just going to make it a little softer because it is a very fluffy brush. So next up, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Tempera, and I'm going to use this lip brush from Beige, and I really like this brush because I want to add that like halo effect to my eye, and this is just little enough so it gets like right, you know, on my eyelid perfectly, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I'm just going to pop this right in the middle as best as I can. It's looking a little like not too cute right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with this lip brush and go back in with Warm Taupe and kind of just fix the Tempera shade a little bit, just like this, to kind of just make it blend all together. I don't know if you could tell, but Tempera kind of faded away, and that's kind of what I wanted to do, because next up I'm going to go in with the same brush again, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of Vermeer and put this on top of Tempera. When I wore this for Christmas Eve, I kind of left it like this and popped on some mascara and all that fun stuff, but I'm not going to church today, so I want to make it as obnoxious as I possibly could. So I'm just putting a little bit of Vermeer, I totally forgot what shade it was, on top of this, just to give it that extra little sparkle. I'm actually going to just spritz the brush with some NYX setting spray, and I'm going to go back in with Vermeer and put that on top just one more time, just to make it pop a little bit more. Then I'm just going to go in with this concealer brush. It's kind of like the same as the lip brush, just a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to go in with Warm Taupe one more time, just to blend everything together. Alright, so my friends just came outside and they are screaming. I didn't think they'd be outside because it's been pretty chilly and Facebook's been telling me it's gonna rain today, but they're outside. So I finished up my eyes off camera. I actually added a little bit of warm taupe underneath my lower lash line, just a little bit. I just didn't film it. I don't know why. And then I also did my mascara off camera, which I've been loving this combo lately since I have finished my Maybelline Great Lash and my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So on my top lashes, I use this Lancome Monsieur Big sample. I really like this. It's really, really good. I might splurge and get the full size once I'm done with all the mascaras in my drawer. And then on the lower lash line, I use the Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama. I just love the combo, and I also put this on my top lashes as well because I really like this wand. It's very spiky and it's really good for separating. So that's just the combo today, and it'll be the combo until I run out of these two. So I cannot remember what lip shade I wore when I did this on Christmas Eve. I know I did something nude, obviously, but I just didn't take a picture. Normally I always take pictures of my makeup looks and I'm kicking myself for not taking a picture. But I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Tartiest lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit, just because this is my favorite nude and it'll just go with the whole look. So I'm just going to pop this on the lips. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see me do in the near future, please let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your suggestions. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!